We got a lot of the subfloor pretty much finished. It's looking pretty good, looking pretty square. That was actually the most difficult part was lining up all these blocks and lining up all the beams and making everything level and making everything square. It was very difficult. Took a lot of time. It took about 2 weeks to get it all flush and plumb and looking good. But we got it. It's not exactly 100% perfect, but it's there. We used lasers. We used we used this Artec down here. It's dimensional, so it's 4x8 exactly. So we set the Artec for 4x8 pieces because this is 16x16. So we set one Artec here, one Artec here. And then if this end joist is off a little bit, we were able to tell, okay, it's off, we need to push this beam in, take this beam out, what have you. So it was a long process, and we finally pretty much got it done. So now we're putting the subfloor in by putting the sheeting on, and next step is once I finish all the blocking and the sheeting, we're going to put the log posts. So I'm going to use some logs. I'm going to make 8-foot logs. I'm going to put a post and a post and a post and a post on the corners. And then I'm going to build, use a 6 inch studs and 8-foot 6-inch studs. And just make a frame out a wall and put windows in. And once we get the wall up, then we're going to build a loft area, and then that will be that. So that's what we're looking at here. That's how it's looking so far. All right, thanks.